Hi guys! Ini-enjoy ko lang po ngayon ang snow dito sa labas. Pero uwi na rin ako at talagang lumalakas na ang pag-i-snow nila ngayong araw na to. Today is actually a very nice weather, so I'm just playing some snow here outside. The snow is so wide and you can really like see. It's good to play with the snow. So I think this is what happened if you did not grow up with a place that has the snow. You tend to just keep playing it. I just wanted to enjoy the weather today. I cannot do the sledding because the snow is so deep. I think my husband measured it, like just from our deck is about 9 centimeter, but the forecast was actually like supposed to be today we'll have like 25 cm. So this is the second day now that we always like the snow is going like non-stop of snowing. It's actually really good. See? If you have chance, just enjoy the weather and have fun. So that's what I'm doing right now. I am the only one here in the park, nobody else. Pauwi na ako ngayon. Paghapon talaga ang snow namin dito sa Alberta, as in sobrang kapal. Pero wet snow. Ayan, nagtatanggal na naman ng snow ang aming kapitbahay. Yan, grabe oh, ang ganda. Sobrang kapal ng snow. Grabe, kapal ng snow. Snow. Ayan na, ilang minuto lang ako nagstay sa labas. Sobrang kapal ng snow ngayong araw na to.